up, you guys? Ron here and welcome back to the channel. Today's vlog will be a little bit different because for the past couple of days I have had the absolute privilege to be hanging out with some of the most amazingly talented people here in Thailand at the GoPro Creators Camp. Well, from amazing GoPro workshops, from night photography sessions, all the way to some island hopping, I think we had a blast. I had a blast myself. So the team has put together a little recap that I hope you enjoy. All the creators listed in the recap are in the description. So hey, go and check them out. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If not, I will see you guys in next week's upload. Bye!
ตอนนี้นะครับผมอยู่ที่งาน GoPro Creators Camp เดี๋ยวเรามาดูครับว่าความสนุกของวันนี้มีอะไรบ้างครับผมตามมาครับ
ได้อยู่แปลว่าได้อยู่
เป็นไรพี่